Hey, how's it going? I'm Jeff.
I'm not Jeff.
Today we're in Danville, New Hampshire, and we're gonna check out the Beehive Hut.
So before we show you around, make sure you sting that like button, comment, and subscribe.
All right, let's go check it out. So this is the Beehive Hut right here.
Oh,
so we'll see.
It looks like somebody's already here.
Oh man. Today we've traveled to Danville, New Hampshire. A moderately sized New Hampshire town, Danville sports a population of around 5,000 and is home to a few historic buildings, as well as a cemetery with burials dating all the way back to 1740. Danville was originally part of the town of Kingston and referred to as Hawk until the name was changed to Danville in 1836. Who's Dan? Why is this area named after him? Nobody knows. We're in Danville today to visit a rather mysterious structure in the woods, the Beehive Hut. The Beehive Hut is one of around 500 stone structures found around New England, the origins of which are completely unknown. This particular structure is found right off Hersey Road, near the town's highway department. It takes a few minutes of easy hiking to reach the structure, and the arrows recently put in by a local scout troop make the hut easy to find. Follow the arrows, right? Oh, some on the trees. Well, you probably should have worn shoes and not sandals, right? That's right there. I think somebody screwed up the sign. So this is it. Most of these stone structures have a conical shape, just like a beehive. Although this one's more of a U shape. It still has some of the same characteristics of similar stone structures. Now, there's a few theories about where these huts came from. One theory is that they were built by early European colonists and used as root cellars. A second theory suggests that these structures were probably built by indigenous people in the area as either shrines or sweat lodges. Some have even suggested that they may have even been used as birthing chambers. And yet, there's even a third theory that these structures were built by ancient explorers traveling to New England way before Columbus, and some believe even hundreds of years before him. Some have been found to be aligned with certain solar events, such as the summer and winter solstice, which makes them even more mysterious. So even though their origin's unknown, these stone structures are definitely fun to discover and explore. And we're going to try to find some more of them and check those out too. So let us know if you know of any more of these mysterious stone huts near you, and maybe we can check those out. Thanks for joining us here on another episode of Exit the Norm.
Just remember, you are all queen bees to us.
Hopefully you learned something. Bye.